Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Triposia. Okay, thanks for the time. Today I will present a research proposal with the title Stimulating Students in Speaking Class Through Oral Games Group Discussion. Okay, thanks for the time. For the supervisors, the first Dr. Andi Mulyati MMPD, and the second Muhammad Tahir SPD MPD MED area. And then thanks for the time for the examiners, the first Professor Dr. Baso Jabu M. Hum, and the second Nur Fitri S. SPD MPD. Okay, the next now I will explain the three of the contents of my first proposal, chapter 1 introduction, the next chapter 2 literary review, and the last chapter 3 research method. Okay, the next background of the research. A language cannot be separated from human life because its role is very important in terms of everyday life. It comes to anywhere and every time there. Therefore, a language is very important for humans to enable them to communicate. The language consists of four main skills, namely speaking, listening, reading, writing. In this case, researchers focus their attention on speaking skills because choose who have an important role in the process learning activities or speaking skill. Why researchers choose the title of Stimulating Students in Speaking Class through the Oral Games Group Discussion? Because there are still some students who are lacking in speaking skill, marked with the difficulty of talking passed by. According to Saraswati 2018, states that group discussion can motivate students to dare to express their ideas or opinions, while oral games are games or activities that stimulate students to talk more. And researchers try to solve this problem using oral games group discussion. This is a combination of group discussion and oral games. Group discussion are activities where each student has the opportunity for students to learn how to express their opinions in English. According to Salahuddin 2009, the Tribune image is one of the activity in teaching English. In this activity, students must describe the image in front of the class. So in this study, researchers used image as oral games, and the reason why researchers choose to describe image for oral games is to actively practice their speaking ability through a discussion in class. In addition, the purpose of the activity is to train student imagination and describe something in their discussion. Okay, the next problem statement. Based on the background above, the problem of the research can be identified as follows. Can oral games group discussion stimulate the students in speaking? And the next objective of the research. This research aims at finding out whether oral games group discussion can stimulate the student in speaking. Okay, the next significance of the research. The first, for students. This reveals that students cannot always depend on the teacher as a teacher learning techniques in improving their speaking skill. This shows the student also requires other technique in learning to speak. This also provides that some techniques are very important for the learning. And the second, for teachers. As an additional reference that may be useful for better teacher technique in a teaching speaking class, as this research has shown that the technique can have a great influence through student speaking skill. He can also be a good media technique to support students. Researchers hope this research can reveal that students also need something beyond the teacher role as a teacher teaching and learning technique. And the last, for researchers. From these researchers, it is hoped that researchers will gain new knowledge about how to improve speaking abilities so that later researchers can develop student speaking skill. Okay, the next scope of the research. This research is restricted to the use of oral games group discussion to stimulate the student in speaking class at SMA and 2 Pangkep. Okay, the next chapter 2 letter review. In the first chapter 2, I will discuss about definition speaking. Speaking is a way of issuing or expression opinions and words that you want to express, but in a broad sense, speaking is a very large scope in our lives. From the definition above, it can be seen that learning speaking is how we study the knowledge of how to pronounce or speak properly and correctly so that we can express opinions and communicate in their wider community. And then Jutge 2016, speaking is an ability that every educator must have to improve the quality in terms of confined information. The ability of public speaking is considered an ability that is not kidding, because having public speaking skill will get many benefits. Based on the previous definition of speaking, it can be concluded that speaking is a word that want to be expressed or issue with the aim of being able to provide information to others. And then next, I will explain definition oral games group discussion. Oral group discussion is a communication group discussion and oral where each student has the opportunity to learn how to express their opinions. Oral games group discussion, the researchers took the describing picture. Describing picture is one activity in a teaching speaking English. In this activity, a student must describe pictures in front of the class. And then in this activity, every student gets one picture and they have to describe it. Therefore, describing picture in the teaching learning process absolutely enables the student to achieve the lessons. And the next, and the last is speaking ability, which is divided into three aspects, namely accuracy, fluency, and the last, comprehension. Accuracy in speaking is related to correct sentence or vocabulary, grammar, pronunciation that can be understood by listener without confusing grammar. And then fluency. Fluency is an important role to influence students' speaking skill. A teacher must guide students to be able to develop, build their ability and confidence to be able to speak. And the last, comprehension. Comprehension is the fact to understanding the expression sent by the speaker to the listeners. In the speaking activity, the speaker is expected to be able to make the listener understand what he is saying so that there is no miscommunication or misunderstanding between the speaker and the listener. Okay, the next chapter 3, research design. The first, research design. In this research, the writer used one group pretest post-test designs. In conducting the data, the researchers will use one class sample. This class will have a pretest in the first meeting to know the student ability of speaking. After that, there will be treatment in 5 meetings. In this step, the researchers will every oral games group discussion as a method to stimulating the student in speaking. In the last meeting, the researchers will give a post-test to know the improvement of the student speaking ability. Next, research variables. This research consists of 2 variables. choose are dependent variable and independent variable. The dependent variables refers to the student speaking, while the independent variables refers to the oral games group discussion. Okay, the next population and a sample. The population of this research is the first grade the student of SMA N2 Pangkep. The sample will be choosing using simple random sampling, a technique which consists of 40 students. Simple random sampling is a method of drawing from a population or universe in a certain way so that every member of the population or universe has an equal chance of being selected or taken. Kerlinger 2016. And then the reason why the researchers choose this technique is reduce the potential for human bias, the selection of cases to be included in the sample, which is considered a fair way to be select samples from a larger population, because every member of the population has the same opportunity to be selected. Besides, the formula used is relatively easy to apply to a small population. Okay, next, instrument of the research. Instrument is a tool used as a tool to measure a measuring object or collect data from a variable. An instrument is said to be good if it is valid and reliable. Masondang 2009. And then the data collected using certain instruments will be described and attest or used to test the hypothesis proposed in a study. Muljono 2002. And then in this study, the researchers use a speaking test as an instrument. This test is describing picture, which using in the first test before the treatment, and the second test will be held after the treatment. In this test, the researchers will prepare 3 different pictures for the pre-test and the post-test for students. The first picture handphone, the second picture Sutisna or Sule, and the last for Rotterdam. During the student performance, the researchers will record them to measure the speaking ability using scoring system by Heaton. Okay, the next procedure of collecting data. The first procedure of collecting data, pretest. This phase is used as the first steps of collecting of the data. In this step, the researchers will give a test to measure the speaking ability of the students before administering the treatment. The researchers will give oral speaking tests based on certain topics and let the student choose one topic they want to talk about. In this part, the researchers will call the student one by one, and each of them will give a chance to tell and explain something in front of the class based on the selected topic. In the second procedure of collecting data, treatment. In this step, the researchers will use the technique of discussion and oral games, or asking for a given direction as a treatment or solution to overcome the problem of student low speaking ability. Treatment will be given for 5 meetings. The step of the treatment can be seen as a follow. The first, the researchers divide the student into some group, and the second, the researchers begins the lesson by introducing the topic, that is descriptive test or grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and others, using PowerPoint, and give some question related to the topic. The next, the researchers introduce and explain about the describing picture. And the next, the researchers ask each group representative to random select a picture that has been prepared by the researchers. In the next, every group will discuss about the selected picture, and one members of each group will present it in front of the class using describing picture technique. In the last, after one group presents their group picture, the other group will give a feedback. In the last procedure of collecting data, post-test, the student will take a post-test as the last test after saving a treatment for 5 meetings. This test was carried out by the researchers to determine the improvement of speaking abilities of the student following treatment. In the next, technique of the data analysis, the researchers will analyze the data quantitative. The first, the speaking ability of the student will be measured using Hinton's scoring system in accuracy, fluency, and comprehension. The second, the researchers calculate the score from 3 components in speaking. The researchers calculate the mean scores. And the next, the researchers calculate the standard deviation of student speaking achievement. The researchers use a 5 sample test to find out the significant difference between the pre-test and the post-test. And the last, finding out the significant difference between the pre-test and the post-test by calculating the value of dependent test. Okay, thank you. That's all I can confide to the presentation of the research proposal. This time more and the luck of you forgive. I end with the war. Wallahu yadihil khair wal amanah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.